You ever look at your numbers and think, we're booked solid, we should be killing it. Then you check your bank account and there's only $1,200 sitting there. Yeah, that's not rare, that's the reality for most subcontractors. You can be profitable and still go broke because profit lives on paper. Cash flow lives in real life. Let me show you the disconnect. You bid a $1.2 million job. You're expecting a 15% margin. That's $180,000 of profit. But here's what actually happens. You start in January. Your first invoice doesn't go out until February. And then it doesn't get paid until March, early March if you're lucky. Meanwhile, payroll, materials, subcontractors. That started on day one. You're floating $300,000 before cash even shows up in your bank account. Profit doesn't keep your business alive. Cash flow does. And most guys don't track it. They look at a P&L and they think it tells them whether the business is okay. It doesn't. That's like judging a job off of a rendering before you pour the slab. Your P&L says you made $50,000. The bank account says you're only two payrolls away from panic, but your cash flow forecast shows both. It tells you what's coming in and what's going out and when. It's not just totals, it's timing. I've had clients who looked profitable on paper and still had to borrow just to make payroll. Not because the work wasn't good, but because the cash wasn't timed right. Look, this stuff isn't glamorous, but it's what keeps good companies from going under. If you don't want to wake up broke with a full backlog, learn to read your own cash flow. Not your bookkeeper's job, it's not your CPA's job, it's yours. Cash flow is a showstopper, like failing an inspection. Profit won't save you if cash runs out first.